Oh, the morning. The start of a new day, filled with endless possibilities and, of course, the inevitable rush to get ready. It's a time when the world feels both fresh and daunting, and the first few moments can set the tone for everything that follows. The alarm buzzes, and leaving your cozy bed feels like the first challenge of the day. The warmth of the blankets is so inviting, but the day awaits. You stretch, yawn, and muster the willpower to swing your legs over the side of the bed. It's a scramble, matching socks, buttering toast, and somehow looking office-ready. The morning routine is a whirlwind of activity, a delicate dance of multitasking. You juggle between finding the right pair of socks, making sure your toast isn't burnt, and glancing at the mirror to ensure you look presentable. The world of makeup can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. With so many products and techniques out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, makeup is just a tool to enhance your natural beauty, not a mask to hide behind. Instead of a full transformation, think of it as a quick polish, just enough to feel put together. A touch of foundation, a swipe of mascara, and a dab of lip balm can make all the difference. It's about feeling confident and ready to face the day, not about achieving perfection. A small ritual like this can make a big difference as you step out the door. It's a moment to center yourself, to take a deep breath and prepare mentally for whatever lies ahead. This simple act can boost your confidence and set a positive tone for the day. Let's try a simple plan. A look that says, "I'm professional and ready," even if you're still half asleep. It's about finding that balance between looking polished and feeling comfortable. You don't need to spend hours getting ready. Just a few thoughtful steps can make a big impact. Let's get cracking, shall we? With a little bit of effort and a positive mindset, you can start your day on the right foot. So, embrace the morning, take on the challenges, and make the most of every moment. In the modern office, your ideas should be the brightest thing in the room, not your eyeshadow. When you walk into a meeting, you want your colleagues to focus on your insights, your creativity, and your professionalism. While bold makeup can be fun, in a work setting it can sometimes distract from the message you're trying to deliver. The art of understated office glamour is about letting your natural confidence and intelligence take center stage, while your makeup quietly supports your look. Think of your makeup as the background music to your workday, setting the tone, but never overpowering the conversation. A simple professional look is like a well-chosen playlist. It enhances the atmosphere, helps you feel put together, and allows your personality to shine through. When you keep your makeup minimal, you're not hiding who you are. You're simply making sure nothing distracts from your skills and your voice. Save those bold, experimental trends for the weekend or a night out with friends. For Tuesday's team meeting or a client presentation, a subtle look is your best ally. It's about being polished, not flashy, showing you care about your appearance, but you're here to work, not to make a statement with neon eyeliner. A quick, low-drama routine is a lifesaver on busy mornings. When you're rushing to catch the train or prepping for a big project, you don't want to spend precious time perfecting a complicated look. A few well-chosen products can help you look awake, refreshed, and ready to tackle anything the day throws at you. Fewer products mean fewer smudges, less touch-up time, and less stress throughout the day. When your makeup bag is streamlined, your morning routine becomes simpler, and you can focus on what really matters, your work and your goals. The goal isn't to disguise your features, but to enhance them. A touch of blush, a swipe of mascara, and a hint of lip color can bring out your natural beauty and help you feel your best, without feeling overdone. When you highlight your best features, you project confidence and poise. Whether it's a bright smile, sparkling eyes, or glowing skin, a little enhancement goes a long way in helping you feel self-assured and ready to take on any challenge. A fresh, neutral look is truly timeless. It suits every skin tone, every personality, and every office environment. It's a style that never goes out of fashion, and it always looks appropriate, no matter the occasion. Think of understated office makeup as the cheese and crackers of your beauty routine. Simple, reliable, and always a good idea. It's the perfect foundation for a productive, confident day at work, letting your true self shine through while keeping things effortlessly polished. Let's get practical. Start with a clean, moisturized face, your best canvas. Use a light foundation or BB cream for a natural, even look. Dab on concealer to hide tired eyes or blemishes. Just a touch does wonders. Set with a bit of powder on your T-zone to control shine. A coat of mascara makes your eyes pop, Finish with tinted lip balm or neutral lipstick for polish. 4 easy steps and you're ready for business. Simple, quick, and confidence boosting. Choosing the right colors is key. For the office, stick to neutral, earthy tones. Soft browns, beiges, gentle pinks, and warm taupes. Matte brown eyeshadows and soft gray or brown eyeliner keep things subtle. For cheeks, a hint of peach or rosy blush gives a healthy glow. Cream blush is easy and natural looking. Lips? Go for your lips but better shades, nude, soft pink, or muted berry. These colors are easy to reapply and always look professional. Calm, sensible shades keep your look polished and office appropriate. A workday is a marathon for your makeup. Set your look with translucent powder and a spritz of setting spray before you leave. Avoid touching your face to prevent smudges. Keep a mini touch-up kit at your desk: pressed powder, lip color, and a cotton bud for emergencies. These quick fixes help you stay polished all day. A little preparation goes a long way. You'll look as fresh at 5 as you did at 9. Makeup mishaps happen. Don't panic. For midday shine, use blotting papers instead of piling on powder. Smudged eyeliner or mascara. A cotton bud, dry or with a dab of moisturizer, erases mistakes fast. Revive tired skin with a spritz of facial mist for a dewy glow. Reapply neutral lip color after lunch for a quick refresh. These simple tricks handle any emergency. Stay calm, fix up, and carry on. You're ready for anything. And there you have it. A simple plan for office glamour. It all starts with the right mindset. When you wake up in the morning, take a moment to visualize your day. Picture yourself walking into the office with confidence, greeting your colleagues with a smile, and tackling your tasks with ease. This mental preparation sets the tone for a successful day. A few easy steps help you feel polished and ready for anything. Start with a well-chosen outfit that makes you feel powerful and comfortable. Whether it's a sharp suit or a chic dress, your attire should reflect your personal style and the professional image you want to project. Don't forget the details. Accessories like a statement necklace or a sleek tie can make all the difference. Adapt the routine to suit you. Skip what you don't like, add what you love. Makeup is a personal choice, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different products to find what enhances your natural beauty and makes you feel your best. Maybe it's a bold lipstick, a touch of blush, or a bit of eyeliner. The key is to have fun and make it your own. Makeup is a tool for confidence, not a rule book. Use it to highlight your favorite features and express your personality. Remember, the goal is to feel good about yourself, not to conform to someone else's standards. Confidence comes from within, and makeup is just one of many tools you can use to boost it. When you feel good on the outside, you tackle the day with more poise. Your appearance can have a significant impact on your mood and performance. When you look in the mirror and like what you see, it gives you a boost of confidence that carries over into your interactions and tasks throughout the day. Make your morning routine a moment of self-care, not a chore. Take your time to enjoy the process of getting ready. Play your favorite music, light a scented candle, or sip on a cup of coffee as you prepare for the day. This can transform your routine into a calming ritual that sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. A little concealer, mascara, and a smile. Now you're ready to shine. These small steps can make a big difference in how you feel. Concealer can brighten your eyes, mascara can make them pop, and a smile can light up your whole face. Together, they create a look that is both polished and approachable. Celebrate your effort. You've earned it. Take a moment to acknowledge the time and care you've put into your appearance. Give yourself a thumbs up or a little cheer. This positive reinforcement can boost your mood and set you up for a successful day. Remember, confidence is the best accessory you can wear.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.